It's clanging. Oh!
We're gonna go banging.
Fucking dog. What is this? And he's like,
Literally my dick at a party. It's just drunk as fuck and just looking for pussy.
Fuck you, zip ties and vice flags! You don't know how. Oh shit!
That's a YouTube moment, pal. Yeah.
not the hammer gonna break this thing.
Oh, look at the paint now.
Because it was so good. Because you did such a good job.
It was gorgeous.
Okay. It looks like shit.
Okay, just painted gold, it's fine. Fuck! A lot of people do for tune-ups are spark plugs. How do you fix your spark plugs or get new spark plugs without spending any money?
Steal them. That's how you don't have any butt connectors. There's a zip tie tip. Fuck you, roadkill.
Oh, okay. Wow. That was aggressive.
Don't put so much. There we go.
Are you stuck?
Shut the fuck up, Diamond!
We're good to go. First step, take it.
Shut the fuck up, dog!
I'm just getting attacked.
Kicking him.
Ow, this is really hard. Oh, too easy.
I figured out that we fucked up is the RPM gauge. It's I don't know if you can see.
What the fuck? She broke! Oh, we got foams coming up.
Jayden, where's the pen?
Dude,
You don't like it?
no, paint your roof gold.
That'd
Hot breath's like a hairdryer.
Oh yeah.
Sitting in a farmer's field for 10 years. That's about it.
You gotta hit the bullseye or else you're just like gay, right? Dude, you were so close. Not really.
Even if there's like a little bit of dirt, like here, right here, see that's just actually dirt. You know? Spray over and cover the dirt up.
This is the African grass spider. Spider burnouts! Yes!
Oh, I know why I won't start. We don't have a truck.
We don't have a truck. That's
I happen to know a guy who has a Cavalier. His name's me.
Oh, there we go.
Today on Hood Nash, we're cutting some coils.
You're the only man I would switch sides for, you know that?
Thanks. Me and Gustavo here, we just took the wheel off. Now what we're gonna do is unbolt the strut, take the strut out.
It's like fuck is a pronoun in French. Fuck isn't a bad word in French. Would you ever bang a girl named Margaret? No. I don't know, it doesn't seem like a very fuckable name.
So we happen to notice a rise in subs.
A lot of new subscribers on Hood and Hatch.
We just wanted to catch you guys up on what's going on and what's been going on.
Here's a little video to show you fine folks what we've been doing.
Oh, fuck.
Come on, Bobby. We're just gonna do some really funny prank. Fuck the dog.